Hello, it's October 25th. Another day of Lake Calamita, the calamity.
The calamity.
Okay, tell me what happened today.
It's just little things that compounded that I didn't take into account for.
Stop beating yourself up. There's nothing square on this camper. There's nothing perfect on this camper. And every single thing that doesn't work makes us creatively think and come up with something better.
Yeah.
And I think that's better, don't you?
Okay.
So tell us what happened here.
All right. Well, the door doesn't quite fit, and it's not necessarily that it fits long ways that doesn't fit thickness-wise. I was using standard materials, built a regular door, and I should have known better, and I didn't even think about the thickness. So the old door jamb we can't use.
But it was plastic and yellowed.
Yeah.
I'm glad to be rid of it.
Okay. I am too. It was just the big disappointment really was it was going to be like a 30-minute to an hour job today, and the door would be done. But figuring out that the door jamb just doesn't work, and there's really those materials, you can't really build another door jamb without something specialized. So it's probably going to be about a day or 2 days of work instead of the 30 minutes or hour that it was going to be. So I'm a little frustrated with that.
He is. And I keep telling him he shouldn't be. He's done such a good job on everything else. We've gotten the cabinet doors in down here. We've painted. He got this beautiful side put in, and I got that painted. So our kitchen's really coming together. We have the area around the electric outlet that we still got to figure out. And the door is all put together and looks fantastic. Looks like a trunk. The back of it, we've got our little theater, after the theater stopped by, the Adventurers Club poster, which I think is hilarious because, you know, most people sit in the bathroom these days either on their phone or on their computer streaming videos while they sit. So after the theater, so I guess the bathroom is now the theater. But I like how all of that looks. It looks really cool from the inside of the bathroom. And also I have painted a Disney Cruise Line emblem on this trunk that's part of the wall for the bunk beds. I thought that was a nice little nod to Disney Cruise Line. We used to do a lot of those when we were cast members and got discounts.
Well, and like you said, there was one that was already there, but they tried to acetone it off, so we just put it back.
And theirs wasn't as nice as mine was. They only had it in white. I did red and white.
Red to change it up a little
Yeah.
bit.
So I think that's a fun addition, especially with as many cruises as we've done, because we've done like 15, 16.
But we haven't done one in probably 10 or 12 years now. So
No, because they don't give us a discount anymore. We're frugal. Half of this thing is made out of junk. Well, seriously.
Well, in fact, trying to replace this door jamb, Laura found a piece of aluminum that was from a shower install that we had torn out, 4 years ago?
Probably 4 years ago. I'm thinking after we finish with the camper, we need to have a D. We were saving stuff for projects. For a while, we were saving it because we were flipping houses, and it came in real handy when we were doing houses. But then the market changed, and that really wasn't a direction we were going anymore. And then we did the camper, so a lot of this stuff has come in handy for the camper.
Yeah,
but
I think after we button everything up, we can do a nice purge.
And I'm 55. We can't take on many more
what?
projects like this. I know.
When did that happen?
I know. Overnight.
You didn't tell me.
Overnight it happened. So, yeah, I'm... But it's not a bad day. It's a good day.
It's not.
It's a good day.
It's not.
And we've had really good progress.
Yeah.
So, give yourself a pat on the back.
I'm trying.
And remember, is it always an adventure?
You could call it that. It's always.
That's it for this Lake Alameda update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Alameda playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.